Hey guys, it's Emma. So today's video is going to be a what I got for my 17th birthday haul. So my birthday was on April 10th. It was just this past Tuesday. And on Sunday I had a really nice birthday dinner with some of my best friends. It was so much fun and I'm so happy that I was able to do that with my best friends, and it was just a blast. So I got a lot of gifts from them, and then I got some gifts from my parents, grandparents, you know, family members on my actual birthday. So I wanted to show you guys that. Really quickly before we get into the video, I just want to say a few things. First of all, once again, I'm going to Playlist Live and VidCon, so if you guys haven't bought your tickets for that, then buy them. If you want to meet me, I know probably nobody does, but if you want to meet me, I definitely want to meet you. So buy tickets for that, and even if you're not going, tweet me, let me know if you're going, and I'll come outside the venue and meet you or whatever if you don't have a ticket to get in, you know what I mean? Second, I know the background's a little plain right now. It's actually extremely plain. There's literally nothing except this lamp, but my head is covering that. I've been working really hard to get my room how I want it, to be able to film for you guys and just have like the best background possible. So I'm still working on that, and yeah, so hopefully within the next few months I'll have a filming background that I actually love. But just know that I'm working on it, and this isn't my dream background or anything, but I promise you I'm working on it. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to really quickly promote my social media, because what else do I do? But I'm gonna list all my social media right here, and it is always down in the description. I've been using all my social media so much lately, especially Dote and Pinterest. I just love them so much. So if you want to follow me on there, once again, everything's linked down in the description and right here on the screen. So I obviously have to do the famous disclaimer for this video. Not trying to brag in any way, shape, or form. Just really love watching these videos, and I know you guys love watching them, so I wanted to do one for you. Also, thank you to all of you guys who wished me a happy birthday. You guys made 17 one of the best birthdays ever. You guys have been so sweet and supportive, and I've just left the best like happy birthday wishes, and I'm just feeling all the love, and I hope you guys know that I love you guys a lot. So without further ado, let's just get on with what I got for my birthday. So I'm gonna start off with what one of my best friends got me. This is Kyle. I know you guys all know him. He's been in a few of my videos. He's been in all my vlogs. So yeah, he got me this Lush gift sock. No, that's not what it is. He got me this Lush gift box, and I've never had one of these before, but I've always like gotten them for people or seen people get them, and I think that they're the cutest ever. Also, Kyle is super into calligraphy, and it is the coolest thing ever. It's just so satisfying to watch. He has a calligraphy account, so I'm gonna link that on the screen right here if you guys want to go check it out. It's on Instagram. It's so cool. You should totally follow it. But this is what the card that he made me looks like. I think it's just the cutest thing ever. So thank you, Kyle. So the next thing that I'm showing you is what one of my best friends, Alyssa, got me. I'm gonna say one of my best friends for all of these because, like I said, my birthday dinner was with my best friends, so yeah. But she got me 2 bath bombs. They're super cool. I don't know I can't talk today. I don't know where they're from, but this one is the Unicorn Dreams, and this one is Down the Shore. So I'm very excited to use those. She also got me a ton of face masks. The Black Charcoal Hydrogel Mask. The Unicorn Glow Hologram Mask. It looks like this. I'm very excited to use it. The Keeping Glow Coconut Jelly Mask. The Juicy Strawberry Glow Mask, and the Apple Stem Cells and Vitamin E Mask. And the biggest thing that Alyssa got me was literally something so like simple yet so meaningful, and it shows how well she knows me. She got me this shirt that says, "LOL, you're not Jennifer Aniston." And when I opened it, I literally screamed. I have never received a gift that has literally described me so well. I don't know if when you guys were in like 7th grade, for me it was like 6th, 7th, 8th grade, like that middle school, when everybody was obsessed with that website Fresh Tops. I don't know if it was just my school like around me, but everybody was obsessed with Fresh Tops. It was like all fangirl like shirts, like for One Direction, whatever. So that really reminded me of Fresh Tops, and I just love it so much. The next gift that I got is from Blake. You guys know Blake. She's literally my best friend in the entire world. But she got me the Amy Schumer book. It's called The Girl with the Lower Back Tattoo, and I'm very excited to read this. It is just Amy Schumer's book that she wrote, and I've been waiting to have this for so long, but Blake's been telling me for a while she was gonna get it for me, so she did get it for me as she promised, and I'm very excited to finally read it. She also got me the Anastasia Soft Glam makeup palette, and it is gorgeous colors, and I'm so excited to use this. I have never had an Anastasia eyeshadow palette, so I'm very excited. So thank you so much, Blake. The next thing that I got is from one of my best friends, again, Sydney. She got me some Hershey's Kisses because it's kind of like, it's not really an inside joke, but basically I was at Blake's a few weeks ago and I was like, and Blake always has Hershey's Kisses like just laying around her house in a bowl, but they ran out, so I told Blake's mom, I was like, you need to get me more Hershey Kisses. So Sydney heard me say that and she got me some Hershey Kisses. She also got me this gorgeous Kendra Scott necklace. Looks like this. It is so pretty and dainty and I'm just so excited to wear this. So thank you, Sydney. Then from my other best friend, Alyssa, she got me a $25 VC gift card. So I'm very excited to use this to shop for the summer because like I said, I was talking about buying a lot of clothes. It's gonna work. So thank you, Alyssa. And then one of my best friends, Julia, got me some popcorn. It's the zebra popcorn. It's like white and dark chocolate and I'm very excited. It's so good. And then along with that, she also got me a PacSun gift card, and PacSun's my favorite store ever. So once again, it's gonna come in handy for shopping. So thank you, Julia. Also, I just really quickly want to show what my friends brought me at school. Blake brought me this to school on my actual birthday, and it was just filled with candy and snacks and stuff like that. So she got me some Oreos, favorite things ever. She knows me so well. Also, my friends filled my locker with balloons and they got all over the school. Not really. It was just really funny to open my locker. She got me some Reese's, did these melt together? She got me some Reese's peanut butter cups, which I already opened. Some peanut butter M&Ms. Some regular M&Ms. Some Sour Patch watermelon. I think these are watermelon. Yeah, some Sour Patch watermelon. And then some cookie dough bites. And that's what Blake brought me to school, and I just love candy so much. And my grandparents got me this book called Be Fierce by Gretchen Carlson. And it is like this. And I've recently been loving reading like biographies and autobiographies and stuff like that. So I'm very excited to read this. And then along with this, they also got me $50. So shopping for the summer, anyone? So thank you so much, Grandma and Grandpa, for this book. I'm very excited to read it, and thank you for the money. Promise you I will get some good use out of it. My other grandparents got me $100 in cash. So once again, shopping. Thank you so much, Nana and Papa. Gonna get a lot of use out of that as well. So thank you. Then nobody got me these, but I kind of spoiled myself on my birthday. So I got a few things from Ulta. I got this ColourPop eyeshadow. It's just a single shadow in the shade Amaze. It's this really pretty gold color. Then I got from ColourPop as well one of their highlighters called Flexitarian, and it is super pretty. I'm very excited to use that. And then I was gonna get the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara because that's my favorite ever, but instead I decided to try the knockoff that everybody's been raving about. So it is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara, and I've been loving it. I've been using it a lot, so I definitely think this is worth the while to use as a dupe instead of spending all the money on the Too Faced mascara. Moving on to what my parents got me. First, they got me a new phone. I haven't gotten it yet, but we are going this weekend to go get one. I think I'm gonna get the iPhone 8 Plus. So let me know if you want to see a What's on My iPhone video. I love filming those videos, so if you want to see those, love to do it. They also got me some gift cards. I got a $25 Starbucks gift card, a $25 Chipotle gift card, and then a $45, it's like a pack, but a $45 gift card to the movies because I'm literally always at the movie theater. So thank you, Mom and Dad, for those. They also got me this necklace. It's just an arrow. It looks like this. The reason why they got me that is because one of my dream schools is Florida State University, and their arrow is kind of like their symbol for their school. And then going along with the FSU thing, they got me this adorable tank top. It just says FSU, and it's like a razorback, and I just love these. I think that is so cute, and I don't have any other tank tops like this. So thank you, Mom and Dad, for that. And then also my mom brought me some candy during lunch at school. So she got me these Oreo Thin Bites, but they're dipped in fudge, and they all kind of melted together, but they were really good when I had them, and I'm gonna put them in the freezer and just eat them melted together. So yeah. And lastly, they got me some of my favorite candy, which is the Kinder Joy eggs. These are so good. They're like hazelnut filled, and they're just amazing. If you haven't tried them yet, I definitely recommend it. They're so cool. For the longest time, they're like banned in the US, and we could only get them when we went out of the country. So it was always like so fun to go out of the country and get them in like Canada, or we went to Europe last year and we were like dying for these whenever we saw them. But they're finally allowed in the US, and I've seen them everywhere now. So if you haven't tried these, go try them. So that is all that I got for my 17th birthday. I hope you guys liked this video. I definitely enjoyed filming it, and thank you to everybody that got me something for my birthday. I love it so much, and I just love you and appreciate you. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, tell me what other videos you guys want to see in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.